Okay. Now here, if you take a look at the heart, you can see here's the atrium on this side. Then we have on this side, we have the other atrium under the pericardial cavity.
So atrium's always on the right.
There's one on the right, one on the left.
And then the ventricles are the lower part of the heart, right?
Here's an atrium on this side. Okay. Here's the right and left ventricles. You have the lungs on either side. Are you sick? No. Just how these? Then we have the diaphragm. Okay. Here we have the liver. Pick up the liver here. We have the stomach. Okay. These pigs are not dissected well. Here you have a kidney on one side. You have small intestines. Okay. Here's a large intestine. Now, why does she have this pin here? Shouldn't have done that. What we'll do is we'll cut this open here.
Oh yeah, then that's it.
We have the testicles over here somewhere. We'll find them. Here there's one testicle, and there's the other testicle.
49.
Okay, so that's definitely a male. We got a pair of testicles here. Let's go look at the next one.
As the crowd grows larger. So we're just hoping to find a female, is that?
Yeah. Okay. Alright, so again we have the larynx is up here.
Are you the gaffer for him?
Hmm?
Holding up the lighting?
Actually, that's helpful.
Much better than through here.
Alright, so here we have the larynx. Here's the thyroid gland on top of the larynx. These are actually here salivary glands. Now, this is a lung, that's a lung. Here we have the diaphragm. This heart is definitely not dissected well.
Where do you get these from? Are they already dissected?
Well, now that, no, we have a PA that is in charge of the labs who is supposed to dissect it. She didn't cut off the pericardial cavity out of the, around the heart, so you really have to, aren't seeing the atria and the ventricles separate from each other well. for such small, thin materials, they're rather tough.
I heard, yeah, I know. I heard it like squeak or whatever.
So here's the atrium on this side. And this side, if I can get this. Okay, so here you see the atrium on this side here. Okay. Here we have liver again. Again, here we should have
What's that?
the stomach here. Here's the stomach over here.
And over here, that's the pancreas.
This is the, hold on, this is the spleen. Here we have small intestine. Over
So in relationship to all the other organs, why does it seem that the liver is the largest of the?
No, I actually don't know whether or not the liver gets smaller as relative to the animal as it gets larger. But at this stage of development, the liver is larger. I don't know why. You know, I don't know. See, this should have been dissected and opened up so you can see the ovaries inside.
Oh, this is a
Right.
female then, okay.
The body cavity, watch I don't plug you in the head with an elbow.
Do you carve the turkey during the holidays?
Sometimes,
The
depends.
pig roast?
Alright, this is, I need to work on this for a while because this is very poorly done.
Cause like, why else would you guys do that? If you can enjoy it
Okay, we can find the ovary down here.
I get sick during winter.
And so here you see the bladder. Okay, if I find the ovaries and the oviducts. It's usually, maybe it here. It's a ribbon-like tissue. That would be the ovary, that would be the oviduct on this side. There's so much latex in here.
I never did it in my life. Like, I never did that in my life.
Okay, let's take a look. We can see better on this side.
I see like a lot. And because I could do it today, but I stayed up like so well because I really come down the mix. Yeah, I think so. I'm just kind of like, I don't know what I'm doing and like nobody's helping me, like the guidance sucks, so I'm just
A lot of muck in here.
no matter what time.
Should be rinsed out a little more, a little refined. Here we have this, see this ribbon-like tissue here? This ribbon-like tissue is the oviduct. You'll see it splits on either side. See the ribbon here and ribbon here? Ribbon and ribbon. And on the tip there's that small tiny ball that's the actual ovary itself. That small ball on the end here. That would be the ovary. So you can see the reproductive organs are not developed yet. And you'll see this in animals where when they're immature the reproductive organs are very small. And as they grow larger then they get more developed. See it in people too.
Yeah, you put that on it too.